Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you itching to boost your brain power and supercharge your learning? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into something seriously game-changing. Introducing the Neuroplasticity Super Protocol, the ultimate roadmap to ramp up your learning like never before, straight from the brilliant mind of Stanford Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman. Developed by the experts at Stanford, this protocol is packed with secrets to help you learn 10 times faster. So, if you're ready to turbocharge your brain, stick around because you don't want to miss out on the good stuff. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Get alert. To really kickstart your learning journey, it's vital to prep your brain for peak performance. Begin by stimulating neuroplasticity through heightened alertness. One effective technique involves engaging in controlled breathing exercises. Take 25 to 30 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Then, hold your breath with empty lungs for a duration of 15 to 60 seconds before resuming normal breathing. Whether or not you rely on caffeine, this straightforward breathing exercise can substantially enhance alertness, laying the foundation for accelerated learning. By oxygenating your brain and triggering neuroplasticity, you set the stage for optimal cognitive function and absorption of new information. Step 2. Get focused. Focus is the key to effective learning. Prior to immersing yourself in your study session, allocate a moment to sharpen your mental focus. Employ visual anchoring by fixing your gaze on a stationary point for 30 to 60 seconds. This practice activates neural circuits linked to attention and concentration, preparing your brain for peak performance. To further optimize your learning environment, minimize distractions by silencing your phone and restricting browser tabs to essential ones. By eliminating potential interruptions, you create a conducive atmosphere for deep concentration and heightened cognitive engagement. Step 3. Generate repetitions. Maximize your learning potential by performing the maximum number of repetitions in each learning bout. Whether it's practicing music scales, drawing, or solving math problems, strive to repeat the process faster than is reflexive for you. This also means prioritizing quantity over quality, allowing room for errors as they serve as opportunities for growth. Errors activate the neural circuits associated with increased alertness and attention, facilitating deeper learning. Step 4. Expect and embrace errors. Errors aren't setbacks, but rather invaluable feedback that propels the learning process forward. Embrace them as signals of your active engagement and neural activation. Aim to maintain an error rate of approximately 15%, as this level of challenge is known to optimize learning outcomes. When mistakes happen, don't be discouraged. Instead, capitalize on them by promptly revisiting the task. By doing so, you tap into your brain's heightened state of attentiveness for accelerated learning. Remember, we've all been there. Learning is a journey filled with twists and turns. So, be kind to yourself and treat each error as a stepping stone to leveling up your brain gains. Step 5. Insert micro-rest intervals at random. Boost your learning efficiency by sprinkling in random 10-second pauses during your study sessions. These micro-rest intervals aren't just for catching your breath. They engage neural patterns linked to learning and memory at an accelerated rate, giving you a 10x boost in neural repetitions. It's like giving your brain a little pick-me-up mid-study. Distribute these pauses randomly throughout your learning session for maximum impact. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a little spontaneity? Especially when it comes with a side of accelerated learning. So go ahead, randomly add some mini breaks to your studies, and watch your brain kick into high gear. Step 6. Use random intermittent rewards. Imagine this. You're deep into your study session, tackling complex concepts or practicing skills. Every time you reach a milestone, mastering a section, solving a challenging problem, you reward yourself. But here's the twist. Instead of following a predictable pattern, these rewards are entirely random. It could be a short break, a favorite snack, or a fun activity. This unpredictability ignites anticipation, triggering a release of dopamine in your brain, the pleasure and motivation neurotransmitter. These random intermittent rewards keep you hooked and motivated, injecting excitement and novelty into your learning journey. By leveraging this strategy, you're not just studying, you're rewiring your neural pathways to anticipate surprise rewards with each milestone. This approach maintains high motivation, sharpens focus, and accelerates your learning trajectory. Step 7. Limit learning sessions to 90 minutes. Respecting your brain's natural capacity is crucial for optimal learning. By capping intense study sessions at 90 minutes, you acknowledge the brain's limited attention span and energy reserves. Beyond this point, fatigue can set in, diminishing the effectiveness of your efforts. Taking regular breaks to recharge allows for better consolidation of information and prevents burnout. It's about working smarter, not harder. By spacing out your learning sessions throughout the day, you optimize efficiency while giving your brain time to rest and process new information. This approach ensures that each study session is productive and focused, leading to more effective learning outcomes in the long run. Step 8. After a learning bout, do an NSDR protocol. After a rigorous learning session, it's time to give your brain some well-deserved TLC with a non-sleep deep rest, NSDR protocol. This is like hitting the reset button for your mind. Whether you opt for a power nap, self-hypnosis, or guided meditation, the goal is to solidify new neural connections and optimize learning outcomes. So, after flexing those mental muscles, treat your brain to some post-study self-care. It's like giving your brain a high five and a comfy pillow all rolled into one. And trust me on this one, your brain will thank you later. Step 9. Get quality and sufficiently long, deep sleep. The real magic of learning occurs while you're catching Z's, especially during deep sleep and non-sleep deep rest, NSDR sessions. This is when your brain goes into overdrive, rewiring neural circuits and solidifying everything you've absorbed during the day. To make the most of this nocturnal process, focus on both the quality and duration of your shut-eye. Strive for at least 80% mastery of sleep hygiene practices to unlock the full potential of your learning efforts. That means creating a cozy sleep sanctuary, sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, steering clear of caffeine before bedtime, and winding down with relaxation techniques. By giving your brain the R and R it deserves, you're not just optimizing your learning capacity, you're setting the stage for success in every aspect of your life. As a special thank you for staying with us this long, here's a bonus tip. Step 10. The 90-minute rule. Before diving into your study session, give yourself a 90-minute buffer after waking up. Why? Because during this time, adenosine levels in your brain rise slightly, making caffeine more effective at blocking receptors and keeping you alert throughout the day. According to Huberman, this is the secret sauce. Allowing some adenosine to bind to receptors before indulging in your morning coffee. So next time you reach for that cup of joe, remember to wait a little while and let your brain chemistry do its thing. By following the neuroplasticity super protocol, you'll unlock the full potential of your brain and revolutionize your learning experience. If you enjoyed the video, drop a comment below with the word genius and let us know which steps you will apply to 10x your learning potential. If this video rocked your socks off, don't forget to subscribe. This way, you won't miss out on more of our mind-bending content and unlocking your hidden genius. Thanks for joining us on another adventure of self-discovery. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.